Alright guys, how's it going? We have a little trip today. We're going up to Ralph, Helm, and Elgin today, and we're also going to see another vendor and see what they have in store for us. So yeah, we're going to meet with a couple guys, and yeah, we'll keep you updated throughout the day.
Goes on magnetically. There's a magnet here, two magnets here, magnet down here. It's got a 25-degree bend in it. This here cutout allows for the tailgate to be adjusted so that you can put it gate up higher. And it's as easy as that.
Alright guys, so what we have here is the tailgate mate, and as Ken just showed us, they just go on magnetically, and these are good for mulch, rock. What else are they good for?
Yeah, dirt, clumpy dirt. Even if the mulch is a bit wet, if the soil's a bit wet, it's a lot easier to get it out through a large opening than a smaller opening.
Right, and so they also have a centerpiece to divide between the wheelbarrows if you decide to go that route, and they have straight ones for the outside. But I see this most practical for us because we can pull up two wheelbarrows right here in the middle.
I'll grab a wheelbarrow.
Sounds good. And then we pull up a wheelbarrow or two, dump the bed, and then we can just drag it right into the wheelbarrow. So it's as easy as that. And yeah, so we'll get some footage here. Alright guys, so here we have the angled tailgate mates, and this is better for if you're going to do one wheelbarrow, maybe two, and I'll show you guys how it works here. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Bring your material in, and you can see we haven't lost any material, this entire time. Great for solo or if you're having a couple guys. And yeah, if you think about it, the material you would lose over time, then with these, they'll pay themselves back after a couple years easily, as well as labor. It's a labor saver. There you go. That's simple. Alright guys, so here's the straight ones, the straight tailgate mates, and how they work is that you're going to want to line up two wheelbarrows here. So if you're going to line them up vertically with each other, so Ken can show us that, you're going to put one next to each other. So then with the other ones, that's probably more for one or two 6-yard cubic feet. This one you're going to put two on each side, and they're not going to spill out, and that's going to be extremely fast. So we'll demonstrate that here. You want to hold this? How should I demonstrate this? Because it's like,
if you need to, since you only have the one, you can actually put this in here.
Alright, and since we only have the one wheelbarrow here, we put the centerpiece divider, which is like flexible, into that side to block it off. So now, go straight into the wheelbarrow. Alright guys, so if you are interested in the tailgate makes, make sure to check them out. We'll leave all the information down there. And yeah, also big shout out to Cruz, Leon here, and Ken with Tailgate Mates at this quarry. Hey guys, it's Christian with CNI Service here.
Hey, what's up, guys? This is Cruz.
Cruz, and what's your Instagram?
It's Cruz Leon.
Cruz Leon. We'll leave a link below or put it up on the screen. Check him out. He's done some amazing hardscapes and we're all in the Chicago area. And what's the biggest job you've done?
$250,000.
$250,000. And how many pavers is that? How many pallets?
170 pallets.
Wow. I mean, this guy's on a next level of all of us. So definitely make sure to check him out on Instagram and also his YouTube channel. What is that?
Same.
Same thing. All right. Ralph Helm.